Stop wasting your money on smart home security systems that won't actually protect your family and property in 2026. This year, the stakes are higher, and so are the expectations. I've personally tested countless systems, and today, I'm cutting through the noise to give you the definitive list of the best overall smart home security systems. And trust me, the number one pick might surprise you with its sheer versatility and robust protection. Let's dive in, starting with number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This camera is a masterclass in elegant simplicity and integrates beautifully if you're already deep into the Google ecosystem. Its best features include crystal clear 1080p HDR video quality, smart alerts that can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, and seamless control right from your Google Home app. It's perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward, intelligent outdoor camera that just works, especially if you have other Nest or Google devices. Now, for the honest flaw, while the basic features are free, you really need a Nest-aware subscription to unlock its full potential, like extended event history and advanced AI features. Without it, you're missing out on too much. But what if you need more than just a single camera to keep an eye on things? That brings us to number 4, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. This is a formidable wire-free camera solution. Its standout features are 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight for color night vision and deterrence, and a super-wide 160-degree view that leaves no blind spots. It's incredibly easy to install anywhere, and it connects directly to your home Wi-Fi, meaning no separate hub is required for a single camera setup. This system is for those who demand high-resolution, flexible camera surveillance with strong motion detection and a powerful deterrent spotlight. The one honest flaw? While it's fantastic, the battery life can vary wildly depending on activity, and like Nest, full cloud storage and advanced features are locked behind the Arlo Secure subscription, which can get pricey. Arlo's great, but what if you're tired of subscription fees and want true 4K clarity with local storage? Then you need to look at number 3, the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is a game-changer for privacy-focused users. Its best features include stunning 4K video resolution, local storage on the Homebase 3 that's expandable up to a massive 16 terabytes, and an integrated solar panel that essentially provides set-it-and-forget-it charging for infinite battery life in most environments. The Bionic Mind AI also offers incredible facial recognition. This is tailor-made for anyone who wants top-tier clarity, zero ongoing subscription fees, and true wire-free convenience. The honest flaw? While the AI is smart, it can sometimes be a bit overzealous with alerts, and the solar charging, while amazing, isn't always enough to keep up in extremely busy, low-light locations. Those cameras are incredible, but they're still just cameras. What if you need a full-blown, professionally monitored fortress for your home? That brings us to number 2, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. This is a champion for comprehensive, easy-to-use home security. Its best features include a huge array of sensors, from entry and motion to glass break and water leak detectors, ensuring every vulnerability is covered. It's incredibly easy to DIY install, and its professional monitoring options are some of the best in the business, complete with cellular backup so it works even if your Wi-Fi goes down. This system is perfect for renters, large families, or anyone who prioritizes reliable, professional 24/7 monitoring and broad physical intrusion detection without complicated setups. The one honest flaw? While reliable, the overall aesthetic and camera quality, particularly compared to our top 3 camera-specific picks, can feel a little dated and utilitarian. SimpliSafe is a solid choice for professional peace of mind, but for the absolute best overall system in 2026, one company has truly outdone itself by combining comprehensiveness, integration, and flexibility into an unbeatable package. And the number 1 best overall smart home security system of 2026 is the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. Ring has absolutely nailed it. This system is unbelievably scalable, offering a massive kit for larger homes right out of the box, and it integrates seamlessly with virtually all other Ring and Amazon devices like Echo speakers and Alexa. Its best features include robust app control, Z-Wave compatibility for adding third-party smart home devices, and the flexibility of both powerful self-monitoring and affordable professional monitoring plans. This is the ultimate choice for smart home enthusiasts, anyone already in the Amazon ecosystem, or users who want a truly customizable and expandable system that grows with their needs. The honest flaw? With so many options and integrations, it can feel a little overwhelming for absolute beginners, and its reliance on a stable Wi-Fi connection for many of its features means you need good home network coverage. But for overall value, features, and comprehensive protection, Ring Alarm takes the crown. Now, before you go, don't forget to check the pinned comment and description for the best prices on all these systems right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on securing your home with the best technology available.